weed don't look good. That's what I think.
Just arrived at the first spot that we're going to be throwing out now. I think I'm going to throw out first with the red shad. What are you going to be working with?
A frog.
He's going to be working with a frog. Let you know. Right, guys, so we've been fishing out here about 50 yards for bass and weren't really hitting on much. So he switched over to brim fishing. And what's that, your first, second?
What, cast?
Yeah.
Yeah, first cast.
First cast, he just caught himself a brim. I lost my bait over there in a tree. So, yeah, we're sucking right now. I'm tie on for brim as well.
No, I got you.
We'll see how that's doing. Oh yeah, Matthew just caught himself a nice brim. We switched those spots, by the way. We're fishing around some trees now. Not really sure where to fish out here, so we're just kind of fishing all over the place and seeing what happens. But yeah, I just caught myself a brim. He's on the phone with his dad right now, trying to get some advice. But yeah, just caught myself one. All right, Matthew just caught himself a decent sized brim.
Well, me, you, and Granddaddy went fishing. Is that where we were?
All right, guys, I just caught myself a decent sized one right here. Go ahead and get him to flip for the camera. There you go. Yep, just caught me one. Still fishing the same spot.
All right.
Hell yeah.
They do look identical.
Oh yeah.
There's no way.
Little two. Yeah, we got 3 in there right now. I think we'll be good for a little bit on that. We don't need too much cut bait, but we're gonna try to throw for catfish out here too. Not really fishing for anything specific today. We're just fishing for whatever's biting. So, yeah. Yep, getting that experience in. We just switched up spots. We're a little bit further now. We were on that tree over there. Came to this tree and just threw out on a worm. I was trying to catch a brim, but caught myself a catfish. Yeah, even better.
Man, that's usually
nice.
What you use out here anyway, bottom rig.
Matthew just caught one, and I'm over here. I just had a bite. All right, guys, we hopped out of that last spot, went and got us some grub over there from the McDonald's. We're gonna go over to the Roanoke River now, try to get some catfish stuff going on. He's rigging up right now. We're gonna eat, then we're gonna get back out there on the Roanoke. All right, we just got out here. That's his first cast right there. Just threw mine out for the first cast as well, but all right. All right. Heck yeah. They got himself. I just caught myself a cat. Go ahead and let him back. We're not keeping any of this trip, but yeah, we just came out here fishing. Caught myself one. All right, Matthew just got himself another one. Get him on in. All right, heck yeah. Matthew just caught himself another one.
Yep, come off pretty easy today.
So think you got your hunt?
Yeah, that's
it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on it. Check out some more videos on the channel as well. If you did like this one and want to see some more like it, subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're going to be having more videos like this. Obviously, we didn't catch much in this video, but I mean, we were just chilling, whatever. It is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're out. Peace.